Once you've familiarized yourself with your students' AAC system and vocabulary, you may still find the need to make some custom pages for them. But you don't need to reinvent the wheel every time you make a page. Make a blank template instead. Making a blank template will save you valuable time. It will also ensure that each page has the same number of buttons, and that the navigation buttons and buttons that serve other functions, like the clear button, all stay in the same place. This ensures consistency for our students. First, navigate to a page that has very few symbols on it. In this case, we're going to use the Restaurants page in the Places category. In the upper right-hand corner, select Menu and then select Edit Page. Select Menu again and then select Import Copy Pages. Then select Duplicate this page. Make sure you remember what the page is called because you're going to have to find it in a long list of pages. Now, select Menu, and then select Load Another Page. Scroll to locate the page you copied and select it. If you've forgotten what it was called, don't worry. It will have the word Copy next to the title. Then select Done. Now that you've copied your page, it's time to start making a blank template. Select any blank button on the page. Then select Copy Button. Select a button with a symbol on it, and then select Paste Button. Repeat this until all of the buttons on the page are blank, but leave the Go Back, Clear, and Home buttons where they are. It should look like this when you're done. Oops, don't forget to change the name of the page. Select Menu, and then select Edit Page Layout. Type in a new name for the page, and then select Save. In this case, we're going to call our page Blank Template. Then select Done. Now, you have a blank template to use whenever you want to make a new page. You can simply copy and rename this blank template whenever you want to make a new page. Want to learn how to use your template to make and link a new page? Watch this video to learn how.